Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable HD audio for your speaker JBL Boombox 4. And basically we have two options how to enable or disable it. We can use settings or we can enter into developer options. I will show you both of these methods. If you don't know how to enable developer options, you can check video at the hardware set info channel. We have it just for your device. Okay, so firstly let's use the settings. Go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices. And at the device list, click the information icon or settings icon near to your speaker. And right here, I have it at the beginning, you may have it at the bottom or the middle, it depends on the phone. So we have HD audio. To enable it, you need to tap one time at the slider near to it if the slider have empty background. To disable HD audio, you need to also tap one time at the slider, but if the slider have colorful background. And that's it for the settings. Now let's move to the developer options. So you need to also open settings and then move to the system. You need to find system line, then tap at this line, and right here we have developer options. You need to scroll down again, and here it is. Enter into developer options, and now you can or scroll down and you need to find HD audio, or you can use the search. You can click on the search icon at the right top and then write HD. Oh. Okay. So usually it works, but right now. Okay, so you when you click at the search and you write HD audio, you will find the HD audio line located in the developer options, and you need to tap at this line. But okay, this time I'll find this manually. And right here I have it. So to enable HD audio again, tap one time at the slider and the plus in the developer options, and once you enable it, you can now click at the Bluetooth audio codecs. You can check codecs, what's supported by your speaker, and you can switch between them. So you can, let's say, switch to SBC, but also you can switch to SBC if you disable HD audio. And when you enable it, automatically it will set to AAC. But you can do this also manually by just tap at this line and then click at the AAC. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.